The operation of a mini excavator. I was given a briefing from the guy that dropped it off, and so this is a Kubota, and basically in terms of the operation, it's got a mobilizer system that you disarm with the fob, then you pre-warm, and then it should fire up like that. Perfect. Right, so I'll hop in the cab and then I'll run you through the operations. So in terms of operating the digger, there's a few switches and handles that I haven't been shown what they do, so I'm going to leave those alone. But these two sticks in the centre, these control the tracks. So when you push forward, you move forward, back, you come back, but they also move independently. So I could just turn the right track forwards, turn me left, and the opposite way, or to turn on a tighter circle, put one forward, one back. This is the revs. So if you go high revs, then it's a bit more jolty, as you can probably have seen. So that's why when we're moving the digger itself, we're putting it in low revs. However, when you're operating the excavator arm itself, it's handy to have it in high revs, so I'll just put it in slightly high revs. This gear stick here then is basically turning left and right, changes the pitch on the bucket itself, and then this moves the arm in and down. And then this arm here, if you go left, that'll tilt the cab but keep the tracks in place, left and right, and then this will extend the arm out or back in. And then at the front on this particular digger, there's a blade as well, which helps either levelling or pushing soil forwards or backwards, and so you operate that with this handle. That is the operation. Like I say, first time I've ever sat on a digger was yesterday, and it's been really quite intuitive and really good fun as well. So I'd urge any of you who are thinking about doing it, definitely give it a go. It makes life an awful lot easier and quicker. So I hope you found the video interesting. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to help other beaters out there too. Take care, thank you.